Hello, in this video I want to show you how to update your Samsung NVMe drivers on your PC. And to do this you will need to open a browser and look for Samsung Magician software. You can download it from official Samsung website. So when you're ready with a download, install the program and then launch it. I have it right here, already downloaded. And in this case I have Samsung SSD 980 and we're gonna go for driver details. Here you should be able to see your firmware, and in my case it's the latest version. If you have any updates available, you'll see the download or install button right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.